Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Aggy and today we're going to be making these amazing orange pancakes. So if you haven't subscribed, kindly do hit the subscribe button so that anytime you want to make these amazing orange pancakes, you're able to get this recipe quite easily. And also don't forget to hit the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you get to be notified. So guys, let's get on with the video. So for the orange pancakes, you're going to need 2 oranges, and you're going to need this kind of oranges, and you're also going to need 4 eggs. You'll also need 2 cups of wheat flour, 4 tablespoons of cooking oil, a pinch of salt, 1.5 tablespoons of baking powder, 3/4 cup of milk, and 1/2 cup of sugar. You can always add or reduce. So the first step is to cut your oranges into pieces, and you can always remove the seeds in case they have seeds. And also, as I told you earlier, always go for this kind of oranges, not the other ones, because they are really sweet. These ones are really nice and sweet, so always go for this kind of oranges. So we're just gonna chop up your oranges and then put them on a plate. And for this next step, you're going to need a blender. So you're going to add your oranges into your blender. You're also going to add in your eggs. You'll also add in your cooking oil and your milk. And then finally, you're going to add in your sugar. And then you'll cover your blender and you'll blend your mixture for about 3 to 4 minutes, or until everything is nicely blended, like the mixture is really nice and fine. So you're going to pour your mixture into a clean bowl. And then you're going to add in your salt and your baking powder. The next step is to sieve in your wheat flour or your all-purpose flour, and you're going to do this in 2 installments. You're going to sieve in your flour in 2 installments. So after your first installment, you're going to mix or fold it in, and then you'll probably pour in your second installment or sieve in your second installment, and then you're going to continue mixing. So now you're going to sieve in your second installment, and then you're going to continue mixing.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So you're going to mix until all the flour is properly dissolved. So the next step is to heat up your pan, and then you're going to add a little bit of oil and just rub it with an oil absorbing paper, so that because you don't want your pancakes to have a lot of oil. And then you're going to pour in your butter. So you're just going to rotate your pan as I'm doing in the video, so that your butter is well spread out on your pan. So when you see these bubbles on this side of your pancake, it means that your pancake is ready for flipping, or almost ready for flipping. So I'm just gonna flip it up. You really have to be patient with it so that it doesn't break. So you're gonna flip it and then cook this other side until it's nicely browned, and then your pancakes are ready. So as you can see, the pancake is ready. We're just going to take it out from the pan. So you're going to repeat the same process with the rest of the batter. And guys, as you can see, our pancakes are ready. They're super delicious, and I really do hope that you're going to try out this recipe. And also don't forget to subscribe, so that anytime you want to refer to this recipe, you're able to get it easily. And also hit the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you get to be notified. And don't forget to like and share this video, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.